What's up guys, welcome to the sad state. This is Satish and today you're gonna see the water test of the Redmi 5. If you haven't watched the unboxing and the review of the Redmi 5 phone, hit the link above to watch it now. Coming to the context, Redmi 5 is not a water resistant phone, and let's see what if you drop this phone in water for few seconds. Before that, I wanted to say you that this phone is brand new and working really well. As you can see, the display is working fine. Let's launch the camera. The rear camera works and the front camera works too. Let's launch YouTube. The sound works fine as well. I'm gonna drop this phone in water for at least 15 seconds and let's check it out. 3, 2, 1. After taking the phone out of water, I didn't see any issue either with the display, the rear camera, the front camera, even the speakers works fine. So guys, my intention in this video was to see whether the Redmi 5 can survive in the accidental drops rather than putting the phone in water for several minutes. When you drop your phone in water accidentally, you will of course take it out within few seconds. So it is better to test whether this phone can survive for 5 to 10 seconds. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the subscribe button and be the part of this channel to know more and more phones getting water test in future. That's it in this video. This is Satish signing off from Satstech.